Alright, this is a site where you can set up a blog for school and stuff, and you can do the free option, or you can, if you want to pay, you can do the pro option. And using the pro option gives you a few benefits and stuff, and might make things a little easier or not. But again, it costs $3 or $4 a month, and if you don't want to spend that, then go for the free, and you can create to your heart's content. And to do that, all you have to do is go to http://edublogs edublogs.org, and it'll bring you to this web page right here, and then you click on the free one and you get started from there. And there we go. We'll get it going here in a minute. And to do it, we have to pick a username. Let's go. Let's use this one, Mr. Scott, and you put email address. And we're going to use that again, that email address. And I'm going to say I agree and give me a blog, and it'll take us here. And we have to wait a minute, and there we go. Sorry, that username already exists, so we'll change it to that one because I know. We'll try it with that. Let's try that again and see what happens. Okay, it's apparently you only have one per email address. I've already set up one, but to do it, I'd really like to show you how. So let's do this. There we go. We'll use that email address. And I just won't create it. I'll just take you through the steps. And there we go. It gives you blog to name. You can title it. Let's call it sample blog, and private. You can check whether you want private. You want what English you would like to use. I think I'll prefer English. And to make sure it's a human that's doing this, you type these two words in, and then you click sign up. Once you do that, what it'll take you to is it'll take you to another page and says, hey, we've sent you an email. You need to go in and verify your access and stuff. And you'll do that, and you verify your account, and it finishes setting it up, and it sets up your blog. I did that earlier on one, so I'm not going to do it again on this one. So I will just show you this one, which is one I've just set up, and this is basically what it looks like. And gives you some other stuff, and we're going to hide this for 1 month because that just is a sale thing. And we've got one post, one comment. This is the dashboard where you do all your stuff. You manage your posts and comments and stuff like that. So if you have this one and somebody makes a comment, you can approve the comment or not. And in the past, I've set one of these up for my class, and I did that, and that way I could track who actually posted comments and things. It allows me 20 megabytes of space, as you can see, which is not a lot. If you upgrade, you get more, of course, but of course it has to cost. So if you want to go right now at a glance, you can click on post and go to that post, and it shows you what this post is, and you can actually look at it. And this is the normal post that kicks up on the front end, so we can click it here just to make sure we get the right site, so you can see what it looks like if you're a visitor. We'll go to visit site, and here it is. This is what it looks like to the world. This is done using WordPress, which is a pretty nice one. And to make comments, that's all you have to do. You go in here and oh, my nose is itchy. You go back home. And I always save a spot for my dashboard where I can't remember right now how to get there. Change your header, change your sidebars. So it shows you how to upload and stuff. We can change our blog avatar, which takes us to the dashboard, which we can do that. And the blog avatar, this is basically the picture that will be if you want to create a comment, you look at the comments and stuff, and there you go. It's set up, and it's not as easy to operate as Blogger. It's a little more powerful probably, but not as easy. So click here and post. Under post, you can go edit, add new post tags and categories. So let's add a new post to show you how that works. And here it is, title. It's post, and hello world, I'm just playing around right now. Isn't that fun? And there you go. And when you're done with it, it kind of saves drafts periodically as you go through, which is always nice if you're like me. This is test post. It shows you that. Save draft. You can save the draft. You can publish it, or you can just publish it immediately. And let's just, since everything looks good to me, well, you can add media if you want to. You can publish immediately. And there we go. To add media, you just click on one of these. Let's add a video. And we can select the files. And I'll have to do it a different way because what I've got set up with this, it's a little harder to set files. But you know, I can do that another day. I'm not worried about it right now because we don't really care about that. But that's the way you do that. That's the way you track it. Let's go back to the dashboard so we can look at it again. Now it shows, see, we have 2 posts here on one page. We're not really using any space. We can read comments if we want to. You can see if there's anything proved pending. A lot of times you'll have them pending with students. Depends on how you set it up. We can try that if you want to. Let's see if we can get a comment going here. So there's a comment we can see, and we can click here if we wanted to, and we can show all comment types. We can filter it. We can do bulk action, which is delete. We can mark it as spam. We can approve it, which is what you might want to do if a student makes a comment that you want to do, or you can delete it, whatever. And hit apply, and it takes care of that. You can filter by the comments or pings or however you want to do it. And that is really it. And of course, you can go over here to my blogs, and there you go. And I can have a primary blog, and I can have other blogs and stuff if I want to. I can create links. I can add media. Add library now. I'd probably use it as links myself to save space. Get your videos up on YouTube or something like that, or TeacherTube, and then put a link in here and save you a little space. You go through all that, and that's all that. And it's that simple. It's really just a matter of clicking around and having fun and figuring out what you want to do. There you go. And I hope you've enjoyed it. I hope I haven't rambled too much. Thanks a lot. Bye.